Unit 3. Tape script 3.1. Lisa's 2 jobs.
Hi, I'm Lisa Parsons. I'm 24 years old and I live in New York City. I'm always very busy, but I'm very happy. From Monday to Friday, I work in a bookstore, the Strand bookstore in Manhattan. Then on Saturdays, I have another job. I'm a singer with a band. It's great because I love books and I love singing. On weekdays, I usually finish work at 6 o'clock, but sometimes I stay late until 9 or 10 o'clock at night. On Saturday evenings, I sing in nightclubs in all parts of the city. I don't go to bed until 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. On Sundays, I don't do much at all. I often eat in a little restaurant near my apartment. I never cook on a Sunday. I'm too tired.
Tape script 3.2. 1.
Where do you live?
In New York.
2.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do.
3.
Do you relax at weekends?
No, I don't.
4.
Why don't you relax at weekends?
Because I sing in nightclubs.
Tape script 3.3.
Hi, Lisa. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Now, I hear you often sing in nightclubs here in New York.
That's right. I love singing.
And how old are you, Lisa?
I'm 24.
And do you live in New York?
Yes, I do. I live downtown near the river.
And where do you work?
I work in a bookstore, the Strand bookstore in Manhattan.
What time do you finish work?
Well, I usually finish at 6 o'clock, but sometimes I stay late until 9 or 10 o'clock. But I always finish at 6 on Saturdays because I sing in the evening.
How many jobs do you have?
Just 2, the bookstore and singing.
And do you like your jobs?
Oh, yes, I love them both.
Why do you like them?
Because I love singing and I love books. I'm lucky. I love my work.
What do you do on Sundays?
Oh, I don't do much at all. I often eat in a little restaurant near my apartment.
Do you sometimes cook on Sundays?
Never. I'm too tired.
I understand that. Thank you very much for your time, Lisa.
My pleasure.
Tape script 3.4. 1.
Lisa, why do you like your job?
2.
Where do you live in New York?
3.
What do you do on Tuesday evenings?
4.
She really loves singing.
5.
She eats a lot.
6.
What does she do on Sundays?
Tape script 3.5. Talking about you. 1.
What time do you get up?
At about 7 o'clock on weekdays.
2.
Where do you go on holiday?
To Turkey or Egypt?
3.
What do you do on Sundays?
I always relax.
4.
When do you do your homework?
When I get home.
5.
Who do you live with?
My mother and brothers.
6.
Why do you like your job?
Because it's interesting.
7.
How do you travel to school?
Usually by bus.
8.
Do you go out on Friday evenings?
Yes, I do sometimes.
Tape script 3.6. In my free time. Andy.
I play tennis a lot. I'm no good, but I like playing.
When do you play?
Oh, summer usually, but sometimes in spring and autumn, if it's sunny.
Roger.
My favourite sport is skiing. I go skiing with my family every year. We all love it.
When do you go?
Always in January or February after Christmas. We go to France.
And are you a good skier?
I'm okay. My wife's good. The kids are really good. But I'm just okay.
Linda.
Do you go to the gym every day?
Yes, I do. Every day, every morning before work.
And do you go swimming there?
Yes, I swim every morning too. Do you go to the gym?
Well, no, I don't. I like my bed in the morning.
Ben and Josh.
You like a lot of sports, don't you?
Oh, yeah. My favourite is windsurfing. Me and my brother go to surf school every summer and...
And we play golf and football, of course.
All outdoor sports?
No, we watch sport a lot on TV.
And we play computer games after school.
Not a lot of time for homework, then?
Well...
Sandra and Brian.
In winter, we love evenings at home.
What do you do? Watch TV?
Well, yes, sometimes. We like all the cookery programmes. I love cooking.
Oh, we love those programmes too. But we often play cards on winter evenings.
We like cards too, but we only play when we're on holiday in summer. It's a holiday thing in our family.
What do you play?
Well, usually we play...
Tape script 3.7. 1,
I often watch TV.
2,
I sometimes watch French films.
3,
I always listen to music in the car.
4,
I don't play the piano.
5,
I sometimes play cards with friends.
6,
I go dancing a lot.
7,
I go shopping every Saturday.
8,
I get up late on Sundays.
9.
I often cook dinner for my friends.
Tape script 3.9. Dr. Susan Hall. The work-life balance.
Of course, work is important for us all. It gives us money to live. It gives structure to our everyday lives. But for a happy, balanced life, it's also important to play sometimes. It's important to find time to relax with friends and family. It's not good to think about work all the time. I know from my work as a doctor that it's sometimes difficult not to take your work problems home. But if you take your problems home, you never relax, and it's difficult for your family and bad for your health. Don't live to work. Work to live. Life is more than work.
Tape script 3.10. 1.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Thanks. Same to you. See you later.
2.
I'm sorry I'm late. The traffic's very bad this morning.
Never mind. Come and sit down.
3.
What's the matter, Hakan? Do you have a problem?
Yes, I don't understand this exercise.
4.
Can I open the window? It's really warm in here.
Sure, good idea. It is hot in here, isn't it?
5.
Can you help me? What does bilingual mean?
It means in 2 languages.
6.
Do you want a macchiato?
Pardon? Can you say that again?
7.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Do sit down if you want.
8.
Parlez-vous français?
I'm sorry, I don't speak French.
9.
Hi, Hakan. How was your day?
Good, thanks. Really interesting. How about you?
Tape script 3.11. 1.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Thanks. Same to you. See you later.
Right. At about 4 o'clock?
Well, school doesn't finish till 4.
Oh, okay. See you about 4:30 then.
2.
I'm sorry I'm late. The traffic's very bad this morning.
Never mind. Come and sit down.
Thanks.
We're on page 28.
3.
What's the matter, Hakan? Do you have a problem?
Yes, I don't understand this exercise.
Don't worry. I'll help you with it.
Oh, thank you very much.
4.
Can I open the window? It's really warm in here.
Sure, good idea. It is hot in here, isn't it?
Very. Thanks a lot.
That's all right. I think we all need some fresh air.
5.
Can you help me? What does bilingual mean?
It means in 2 languages.
Oh, right, of course. I need to buy a bilingual dictionary.
Yeah, that's a very good idea.
6.
Do you want a macchiato?
Pardon? Can you say that again?
A macchiato. Do you want a macchiato?
Sorry, what is a macchiato?
It's a strong white coffee.
Yes. Okay, fine. I'll try one. Thank you.
7.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Do sit down if you want.
Thanks very much. That's very kind.
Not at all. Are you a new student?
Yes, I am.
Are you having a good time?
Yes, it's getting better. Thanks.
8.
Parlez-vous français?
I'm sorry, I don't speak French.
Oh, it's okay. It doesn't matter.
Can I help you?
No, don't worry. I need some help with my homework, but I can do it.
All right.
9.
Hi, Hakan. How was your day?
Good, thanks. Really interesting. How about you?
Oh, not bad. Just another day at work.
Well, tomorrow's the weekend.
Yes, thank goodness.